Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to hide my number outgoing call Android. We start by entering the settings of our phone. After that, we will use the search option to more easily find the options similar to caller ID or show your caller ID. Once we have clicked on that option, we may have to click on it again. After that, we will see different possible options and we will choose hide number so that ours is not seen when calling. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.